Ooh. Where's supermarket floors? Let's see if our R3 Scrub Pro can clean up. Let's go!
Let's see how wet the floor is. Clean and dry. On to the next test. Let's go!
Sticky floors in supermarket? Let's see if our R3 Scrub Pro can clean up.
See? Squeaky clean. On to the next test. Hungry shoppers making a mess? Let's get our R3 Scrub Pro to clean up. See? Never have to worry about a mess made in stores again. The R3 Scrub Pro has aced the challenge. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Do drop us a follow on YouTube and LinkedIn. See you again.